Welcome back, guys, and today we're gonna fly an Airbus. No, this is not Airbus. I mean Boeing. Yes, this is a Boeing. So, guys, this is a new pilot from the second pilot. So everyone know this. Okay, we're gonna serve this guy. So, ginger ale is our first bite drink. Okay, this is the guy who had cookies is the deal. When I start playing this, I don't know how to play, but I know how to play now. So you guys know it? Okay, so music on it. If he fall, I am a real. If he fall 10 harms. If you are a landing, I appreciate it. No way, do it. Wait, is that the thing you called Frosty? Yes, this is her fruit. Wait, what happened? Oh my gosh! Okay, oh my gosh. This is real. No, mean the pilots are in this aircraft. So everyone is dying around. Oh no! Just save him. We need to save this guy. No way! No way! He's gonna die! He's gonna die! Everyone, he did. He did. Oh my god, she's a lady pilot in a Boeing, so they don't know how to drive it. So, you go mission then. Rock no. Boom, boom. Where the YouTuber died, I haven't seen him. The YouTuber was sitting here, he died. I haven't seen him before, bro. So that was real. Crashing or landing or water falling or on the cause is pilot. I don't know this. Yeah. Everyone? Remember? Oh. See the look, guys, that I have it. 3P. 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 No way! This guy is. My dad is there with Zuga. You're not going to get away from this. You die. You're not going to get away from this. You die. 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 Aha! We got him! We got him! Aha! We got him! We got him! So, we asked Eric I know for to ride in here. So, the painting cost me $20, so everything's good. No way, I love it. I love Boeing. He's bad at landing, I think. He will land in the street. Huh? Bam, bam, bam. That was a hot landing. Bam, bam, bam. So he's going to unspeed it. We have coil pilots and pilot. Cause he's new. This is a CRJ 200 Curie or maybe 800. I don't know. We're going to here in New York. Continue. So this is the leaderboard. Yeah, we have Skybuck, and of course it's not a robot. It's a Skybuck. It's a Skybuck. You hear me? Okay, so 50 flash is good, but everyone is playing this game so much. I haven't played this game before. No way. Okay, so we're gonna landing. Bro, why is slowing down? Go faster. The following line. But you are the following line. And your views aim is so cool. So the point started to speak like oh hell nah, and then back at him. So this point find brick fry. Yes, this is probably I haven't do this thing. Probably play settings. You know what service? Guys, going. Go far so good. Good God. Yes, this is the. Wait, oh my gosh. We have green and white is combined together. See, we have light. No way. So see this engine from the small Boeing. The engine is gonna be here. No way, dude. RELASAIRWAYS. Relax area. So we're going to the New York airport. So this is gonna be cool. It's already night. We're going to the airport. Shadows it. Oh my God. You taught it. So get you fired. You are moving. Why you? It's a boy face. How dare you? You are pretending to be boy. Bro, keep saying it. Louder. Louder. Yes, good. Okay. The police will chase you. The tower. Bro. Say louder. This is the wickedness. Say louder. I don't care it. I don't care. So, let's see. Yes, I don't care. Decent. I'm gonna have you arrested. No may rule to the flight attendant. I'm gonna not speak for a second. Oh, maybe this fit. I'm gonna not speak for a minute. Wait, I have a chocolate. The police are coming to arrest him. Yeah, they're good. So they're coming to arrest him. Aha. You got him. Then you power officer. Then he say, you go arrest that crazy flight attendant. Okay, bro. You know what? I didn't grab it. Okay, this is good. We're gonna get Skybox. Few seconds. What are you doing, bro? No way! OP! $3 Quality, surface safety, $0. No, ready so much. I am ready. So everyone, this is cool, but I'm going to see it again. What's happening to my rat? Oh my god! Okay. We are close enough. We are close enough to 1,000. What to 1,000? But I don't care what. Okay. So everyone know this. I didn't know because this is the way of flight and flew. Yeah, this is cool. You don't got to be here. This is cool. The fly here is going to be free. That's cool. This is also cool, but the free, the door close it. I kick the window. So everyone know this raffle. Everyone, thank you for watching this. So, oh gosh, I haven't seen it yet. So we go into the security and make the plans. Everyone know this. So subscribe me. We'll see you in real life. Kung subscribe ko ba ito nung labas to labas tali tiri 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 tiri. Jamo yung solo bus to